Are you looking to get more out of your Roku TV or streaming device? Here are 7 hacks and tricks to get you streaming like a boss.
Roku is simple to use, but it comes with some cool extra features and shortcuts that can enhance your viewing experience. Whether you're looking to use your phone as a remote or to listen to your TV through your Bluetooth headphones, here are some hidden tricks that can turn you into a streaming expert. First tip, you can use your phone as a TV remote for your Roku. Every Roku comes with a remote that works fine for scrolling through content, but sometimes you really want to use a keyboard to type in your search terms or passwords. Luckily, Roku's app, which is available on iOS and Android, does just that. It allows your phone to act as a full-fledged remote, meaning that you can use your keyboard to type in anything you want. Now here's how to set it up. First, you have to download the Roku app and make sure your Roku TV or device is powered on. Both your phone and the Roku should be on the same wireless network. Now when you open the Roku app on your phone, you'll see a home page full of Roku content. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a row of menu options. Hit Devices. The app will now search for any device on your network. Your device should come up on the screen, and once it does, tap on the device to connect it to your phone. The screen should now have Remote, Channels, and a Media tab listed under a picture of your Roku. Click on the remote and you'll see a full-screen replica of Roku's clicker. At the very top, there's a gear icon for settings, followed by an icon that looks vaguely like a keyboard. This is the one you want. Tap on it and you'll get the full phone keyboard where you can type whatever you want. Don't feel like typing and want to talk instead? Go back to the remote screen and tap the microphone icon just below the purple directional pad. Speak into the mic when it says that it's listening to search and control your Roku with your voice. Tip 2, listen to your TV through your headphones. Sometimes you want to watch TV without disturbing the rest of the house. Roku's private listening feature lets you use your headphones to watch your shows, so no one else can hear what's playing. Well, some Roku models come with an on-remote private listening feature that requires you to plug headphones into your remote. Every Roku can access private listening through the Roku app. Once again, both your phone and your Roku need to be connected to the same wireless network. First, connect your wireless headphones to your phone, then open the Roku app. Go to the in-app remote from the navigation bar. Now tap on the headphone icon underneath the purple arrows, and tap the headphones to activate private listening. Up to 4 mobile devices can listen at the same time. Roku automatically adjusts the audio syncing with your headphones, but if the dialogue seems a little off, head to the settings on the remote screen by tapping on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner. Scroll down and tap on Adjust Audio Delay. Now you'll be able to use the camera on your phone to help fix the audio. Hold your phone up to the TV while the audio is playing in your headphones and hit Get Started. Follow the on-screen instructions and the app will analyze the audio and sync it up. If it still isn't quite right, you can go back to the Adjust the Audio Delay screen and click on Advanced Adjustments. Now you can use a slider to fine-tune the delay. Tip 3, turn on Instant Replay to quickly hear lines you might have missed. Dialogue can sometimes be hard to catch, but Roku's Instant Replay feature makes it easier to quickly figure out what you missed. You can press the circular arrow button on your remote to automatically rewind whatever you're watching by 10 seconds. But you can also add closed captioning in order to hear and read exactly what just happened. To enable closed captioning on Instant Replay, hit the Home button on your Roku remote and scroll down to Settings. From there, click on Accessibility, then scroll to Captions mode. Here you want to scroll down and hit On Replay. Now, when you hit the replay button on your remote, it should automatically give you the last few seconds of what you watched, along with the closed captioning for that time. It's important to note that this doesn't work as advertised on all the content on every channel, but when it does work, it's pretty awesome. Tip 4, automatically level out your volume. Don't you hate it when the commercials are louder than the program you're watching, or when explosions are so much louder than the rest of the dialogue? Roku's automatic volume leveling makes it so these extremes are not nearly as pronounced. To turn on automatic volume leveling, start playing whatever you want to watch. Now hit the star icon in the remote to bring up in-movie settings. Turn on the sound settings and hit volume leveling. Clicking on it will turn on automatic leveling. From this menu, you can scroll down to night mode. Clicking this will set a maximum sound threshold, so an explosion in an action movie won't shake the entire house. Tip 5. Set up a special mode just for guests. It can be great to have guests, but it's also not a good idea to share your streaming passwords. Roku's guest mode addresses this conundrum by providing a place where your guests can sign into their own streaming accounts instead of using yours. To enable this feature, you'll have to first add a PIN to your Roku account on Roku.com. Once you've done this, head to the Settings menu, then click on System. Scroll until you get to Guest mode. Type in your PIN, hit OK, and your system will reboot in Guest mode. Guests will have a home screen with some default channels, but will be able to download anything they want. They'll be able to sign in using their own accounts and stream their shows as though the Roku were their own. On their chosen sign-off date, their profile will be deleted from the system. Now, if only the rest of the cleanup was this easy. Tip 6. Use the remote finder to locate a lost clicker. Some Roku models make it easy to find a lost remote. The Roku Ultra, for example, has a small button you can push to make the remote emit a sound to let you know where it is. But the Roku Voice Remote Pro is even more advanced and can be purchased separately to use with any current Roku TV or device. The Pro is voice activated, so if you don't know where you put it, all you have to do is say, "Hey Roku, find my remote," and it will start emitting a high-pitched beeping sound so you can locate it.
Tip 7. Use Roku Zones to search for content across apps. Not quite sure what to watch? Roku Zones makes searching for content across channels easier by aggregating movies and shows by genre or topic. To access Zones, you'll need to go into Search from your home screen. Next, type in a genre you want to check out. I'm feeling like something fast-paced, so I'm going to type Action into the search box. As you can see, I now have a result for Action Movie and TV Zone. Clicking on it brings me to a screen full of browsable content organized by new releases, included with subscription, free, and to rent or buy. I've now got all the action content in one place, so I can easily find something to watch, no matter what app it's on.
Which tips do you think are the most useful? Let me know below, and while you're down there, subscribe to Cnet. Thanks for watching.